opening Kinder Surprise egg from the Natur series. Ooh. Enjoying the cover and the chocolate and curious what will be inside. I hope it will be some animal as usual. Yes, I think it is some kind of animal, but which one? Let me see how to build this. No, this one I don't need. How to build this toy, and what's that? Yeah, I think it's a hippo. And do you know that hippo means river horse, which is interesting because hippos spends a lot of time in the water, but they cannot swim. And as you can see, they are vegetarians, which means they don't eat meat. They eat mostly vegetables and things like that. And they can weigh around 3.5 tons. This is kind of maximum. Normally around 3 tons, which is a lot. It's heavier than your car probably. Nice. What else I can say to you? Any interesting fact is that hippos can hold their breath for around 10 minutes. And here we got the hippo for some small trip in space. In this aircraft, hippo is flying around 1000 kilometers per hour, which is pretty fast. Oh, you can see the pink color. It is same as hippo's milk. So hippo's milk is bright pink. And they are mammals. Nice, they are very big. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed. You can subscribe and like the channel for more.